Hi, I'm Adam Ende, the founder and janitor of Jawbone Puppet Theater, and I'd like to invite you to join our puppet camp this summer at the Blue Heron. It's going to be live and in person, which will be a lot of fun after spending all this time quarantined. Hey, wait a minute, Adam. What? What about the corona? We can't all be together. Don't worry, we'll be practicing social distancing. We'll be outside. Everyone will have their own space to work in. We'll wash and sanitize our hands a lot, and we'll all wear masks. Here's your mask. You'll see how fun that'll be to wear a nice mask. How do you like that? Oh, gee, that's great. Okay, well, we're going to be making puppets out of all kinds of cheap and easily accessible garbage materials, newspaper, lots of cardboard, bicycle inner tubes, and brown paper bags from the supermarket. And with these simple materials, we're going to be able to make beautiful things. Paper mâché animals, and get creatures, and we'll also be able to make things out of cardboard that are just flat puppets that we can have a lot of fun with. Other ones that are going to be able to move around and have moving parts just with these same simple materials. Hello there. And even with these materials, we'll be able to do some really incredible puppet magic. Take a look at this. Is it a bunny? Or is it a duck? Wah, 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 wah. So, I hope you can join Puppet Camp this summer at the Blue Heron. See you there.